Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday, so it means we're gonna cast off my savings challenge, my 100 envelope savings challenge that I'm doing in a different way. I hope everybody's doing very well. The month already started and I haven't planned nothing, but it's still not too late for me to plan. My goal is to do that tonight because I got paid today. So when I come in tonight from work, that's what I'm going to plan my whole month because I'm too late, but it's still not too late. So if you haven't planned yet, if you haven't planned anything for the month, I urge you to go ahead and write some things down, your focus, your goal. It's still not too late. So today, let's go ahead and count the money and get started. I kind of missed last week because busy, your girl was so busy. So I don't think I didn't post last week for this challenge. I'm not sure, but today I'm doing three of them instead of two. Normally I'll do two, but today I'm doing three. Next week I'll do three. The following week I do three. Then we are done. I can't believe I'm finishing this challenge. But let's go ahead and count the money. I hope everybody is doing very well. If you haven't clicked on the subscribe button, please go ahead and do so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for doing that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 60. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So that's 110, so that'll be 170. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that is 193. So we have 193 today. Going to fill some slot in here. And I'm really grateful for everybody for watching, for making comment. Those who want to join, we are kickstarting it again end of this month and do it till the end of the year. So if you did not start with me like this, that's okay. We are starting it again. I can't wait. I always wanted to flip it around for everybody to see. This is how it's looking. Super excited. I just finished one of them that I did randomly. I'll leave the video up there so that you guys can check it out. I got about 500 and some, and it's going towards my student loan, which I have to set it up. Yes, I have to do that. So today we're going to do 1, 2, and 3. So this is what we're going to do. Then this coming week we will do 3 and 3. Then we are done. Yes, so let's start. 65 is going to be 6 plus 5, which is 11. So it's going to be 11. Then I have 6 plus 6, which is 12. Then I have 6 plus 7, which is 13. Then I have 6 plus 8, which is 14. Okay. Then I have 6 plus 9, which is 15. Then I have 7 plus 0, which is 7, but we are doing 70 because my multiples of 10, all of them, I'm doing the same thing. So this 660, 1070. So that's another trick I did this time. Then I have 7 plus 1, which is 8. Then 7 plus 2, which is 9. Then this is my last part. That's 7 plus 3 is 10. Then 7 plus 4 is 11. Then I have 7 plus 5, which is 12. Then I have the last one, which is 7 plus 6 is 13. And that's the one for today. Super, super excited that I'm done with this. Let me go ahead and make sure. I don't think I marked. I did it up to here, I think. Okay, let me mark that. Okay, that one is done. Then I'm going to do the calculation to make sure what I did was. So let's do a quick math here. So it's gonna be 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 70 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12, then plus 13. Yeah, so 198. Yes. Just super, super cool. I think I said 183, but it's 198 that we put it in here. Yeah, super, super excited. So come and look at this. Is this not cool? Yes. I'm loving it. So thank you for watching me today. If you haven't seen all the videos, I have them in a playlist for my 100 Blue Savings Challenge. You can follow along. We are starting one new this end of the month. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Go and be grateful.